High functionality, sophisticated styles, sleek decors, and beautiful high-gloss finishes are some of the main characteristics of European-style kitchens.
So the European-style kitchen, looking for a very contemporary look and very modern look, normally including a lot of high gloss. Now the new trend and the European look also include a lot of wood textures and natural stone texture. So with the new trend in the European style kitchen, with the new colors, the new texture, now you can get a very warmer and cozier kitchen.
Most people think high-quality European kitchens are expensive and time-consuming because of high shipping costs and long delivery times. But there's an American company that's manufacturing them right here in the USA.
The Azzurri kitchen comes from a family background in carpentry. So it started with my grandfather in Udine, Italy. Then later on, he moved to Brazil. Then my father became a worker as a CEO of a big, large manufacturer for cabinetry in Brazil. When I have 15 years old, then I start to work on the manufacturing there. I brought all this experience on the cabinet manufacturing through Azzurri, and that's how Azzurri born in the US. Most of the manufacturers, they import the kitchens from Europe. What Azzurri did, we actually put the manufacturing in Deerfield, Florida, and we import materials. So we can customize and manufacture the whole kitchen here in the US.
I'm really excited about working with Azzurri because they manufacture their cabinets here in the United States, which means that the turnaround time for installation is very fast. And we're super excited about that because we're moving into a new home and we're excited to get moved in quickly. So it's a great feature to have cabinets made right here, but from these great quality materials out of Europe.
Since we manufacture in the US, you can actually get your kitchen in 2 weeks lead time since the time you approve your drawings. By bringing just the raw materials from Europe and manufacture here, we cut a lot of tax and tariffs. We pass that to our customer so they can get a very high quality kitchen, European kitchen, and a budget that they need.
Today's kitchens are central to everyday living. You want an inviting and comfortable space that represents you.
So we made an appointment with a designer at Azzurri, and we met her at the showroom, showed us around. We saw a lot of things we liked.
A lot of unique features and benefits for how cabinets work and open and close.
Things we didn't even know existed.
Yeah.
Since the first contact starts with the designer, all the information is collected in a software, and it creates a 3D drawing that allows the client to see exactly what he can expect, and all that information is transferred to our manufacturer, where that information is going to be transferred to the machines, and the product is going to be cut and put it together, produced, delivered, and installed. So in that way, we guarantee that the first image that he saw is exactly what he's going to see at the end of the project.
They really demonstrated everything in a 3D rendering, so we could really see what our kitchen's gonna look like, how everything's gonna be laid out, so we can really visually understand what it's gonna be like when it's installed for us.
European-style kitchen cabinets and drawers are not only popular for their stunning, sleek appearances, but also for their space-saving solutions.
It's very important to us that the client understands all the space is available, and he also understands all the options in terms of hardware, so he can take advantage of all that space.
They gave us a lot of options as far as creating space, utilizing space.
Saving space.
You have sometimes those corners where the cabinets meet and you don't know what to do with that space, and they had some really good options.
So for example, pull-outs will allow the client to open them up and be able to reach the whole extent of the cabinets. We have also electronic device can automatically open the doors, and the client can access what he's looking for. On the drawers, we have several options. We have several dividers, so give the client the opportunity to choose exactly what he's looking for.
With a state-of-the-art production line in the USA, 90 years of experience, and fully customized water-resistant kitchens, Azzurri is becoming the leader in its field.
So we have available the latest technology from software to machines. We actually have one of the largest CNCs available, which allow us to work with any kind of product. We also have a full line of production that allows not only to produce, but produce on time, which is always something important to the client, meet his schedule.
To find out more how Azuri can help you handle your next construction or remodeling project, visit AzuriKitchens.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.